In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make tabs on Wix. First things first, let's dive into your Wix account and head over to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens, and having a clear workspace will make things much smoother as we start designing our tabs. Once you're in the editor, your next step is to locate and click on Add Elements. This is an essential feature that Wix provides for inserting different functionalities to your site, allowing you to really personalize the look and feel of your page. Now that you've clicked on Add Elements, look for the box option and click on it. The box element is a versatile component that serves as the foundation for creating your tabs. It offers a great way to organize content neatly, and by using it, you can ensure everything remains nicely structured. With your box in place, it's time to take the next step and click on Tabs. This feature allows you to add interactive, dynamic content areas to your site. Clicking on this will give you options to customize the tabs to suit your web design needs. Once you're in the Tabs section, you'll want to choose a tab style that works best for you. Wix provides several pre-designed tab styles. Feel free to explore these and select the ones that resonate with your site's aesthetic. Remember, each tab can be customized, so pick something that aligns with your design vision. Now let's move on to managing your tabs. You'll want to click on Manage Tabs. This is an important step because Manage Tabs gives you control over how the tabs behave and interact with users. You can add, remove, or rename tabs to better tailor them to the content you plan to present. Next, you'll want to focus on the layout by clicking on the Layout option. This component allows you to adjust the placement and structure of the tabs themselves, ensuring that they align perfectly on your page. Whether you prefer a horizontal or vertical alignment, this feature accommodates every preference. After setting the layout, it's all about design. Click on the Design option where you can modify the visual aesthetic of your tabs. This is where you can play with colors, fonts, and overall themes to make sure your tabs blend seamlessly with the rest of your site's design. Following the design, you might want to explore the Animation and Effects option. This feature is a fun way to add a bit of flair to your site through transitions and animations that engage users as they interact with your tabs. Finally, consider the Stretch option. This is particularly useful if you want your tabs to cover more space or adjust responsively across different screen sizes. It helps ensure your content remains accessible and visually appealing, regardless of how your users are viewing it. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created functional, stylish tabs on your Wix site. Now you're ready to present your content in an organized and interactive way. Thanks for watching and happy designing!